This code uses a couple different if statements, and it gives us a multiple alternatives if statement, which I'll show you now. This program asks the user how many cupcakes they'll be purchasing, asking them if it will be for pickup or to be shipped, and then it calculates the order total based on the number of cupcakes with the discount, the tax, and then the total cupcake plus the tax plus any shipping charges, and it prints it back out to you. This code is available in our Blackboard course, so I'm not going to go over every component of it, but you can download it and play with it in your Eclipse. Our code provides a discount if a user orders more cupcakes. There's an amount off per cupcake. So our code looks and sees that they are ordering more than 24 cupcakes, and if they are, then it changes the price to be $1.50. If that's not the case, it checks to see if it's more than 12. And if it's more than 12, then it provides a discount of $1.50. Which is actually an error in our code. It should be $1.60. Otherwise, we could just adjust this one condition to be the same. So I've changed that to be $1.60. Otherwise, if they're ordering between 6 and 12 cupcakes, it drops the price to $1.75, and anything else, the price is $2. So that means if it's less than 6, our price is $2 per cupcake. So this is an example of a multiple alternatives if statement. Down here is just a regular if statement. If the how they're going to receive the order equals shipped, we're going to change the shipping charge. We're going to find out where the cupcake should be shipped, store that into address, and finally change the wording for the method of receiving so that it'll be shipped to you. Down here is our math statements that does all our math for us. I've printed just a line to separate out the user input, and I've used my printf. I've used this print formatting a little bit differently than we have in the past. Now, every time the compiler comes across a %2f, it's going to take one of the values for the variables that we've provided in that order. So you'll see I have two of these statements, %2f in here. In this first one, it'll take the value that's in price per cupcake, and in the second one, it'll take the value in cupcake total, and it'll format and plug those variables in at that specific spot. Here is an example of using it with just a single variable again, and then a new line, and then finally here's where our order will be the delivery or pickup. The pickup or shipping information will be provided here. I'll run this for you real quick so you can see it in play, and then you can download it and play with that program and become more familiar with it. Here's a run of our program where the cupcakes are going to be shipped. Before we do another one, let's look. Your order will be shipped to you at, and then the address that the user put in. Let's run it one more time where we do a pickup. In this case, that whole if statement is ignored, and it just uses the default, which is the pickup information and the address for the cupcake place. Download this code, play around with it, make sure you understand the different formatting pieces, make sure you understand the math that we've done and the different if statements and how those operate. If you have any questions, please let me know.